Alright, so now we're going to unbox the armor shield. Comes in a very nice box. Alright, so inside the box we have the actual coating in here. We have under here the applicator pad, as well as your microfiber application cloths. Comes with instructions as well. For my Jeep Wrangler, I got 2 bottles because one bottle is supposed to be just enough for a sedan, 4-door or 2-door coupe. 2 bottles should be more than enough to cover my whole car, as well as the windows and maybe even the plastic trim. So as you can see, the vehicle is quite dirty. Got bugs everywhere, got some dirt. But it's also had a, right there, it's also had some brand new sealant done. So when I spray it, the water drips right down off, and it beads very nicely actually. So as you can see, it's got some fresh sealant on there. I'm gonna have to try to strip that off before I apply the new coat. Alright guys, so now that the vehicle is completely detailed and washed, I did clay bar the vehicle. Now we just have to strip off whatever old sealant is on the vehicle. So in my case, I had some fresh sealant on the vehicle, and as you guys may know, ceramic coating does not adhere well when there is sealant on the vehicle's paint already. Therefore, I'm going to be doing a full alcohol wipe down of the vehicle. Very simple process. Basically what I have is some diluted water I put inside a 500 milliliter bottle, as well as some 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now you want to get around 15 to 20% alcohol. So basically I just diluted this alcohol with the distilled water and put it inside a little water bottle here, and I poked a hole on the top so it is easy to squirt out. So it's very simple after that. All you have to do is put some of the diluted isopropyl alcohol wipe down onto your microfiber cloth and just wipe down the vehicle carefully. Make sure to not let the isopropyl actually dry on the vehicle's paint, and make sure you just wipe it down real carefully so you strip off the whatever wax or sealant is remaining. Alright guys, I just want to show you that I have done the ceramic coating for the rear glass here, but I have not for the trunk area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some water on the glass, and you can see what happens with the window, which is coated, and what happens to the trunk, which isn't coated. So here we go. It's gonna see how it drips right off, but see how that sticks. So now let's compare with the paint. So I'll do the fender over here. See how you can catch this on film. Just drips right on off, slides off. That's how hydrophobic it is right there. It's a very nice product. Alright, so it's been around 3 months since I've had this coating on, the Armor Shield 9 by Avalon King. I really have no complaints for this product. It's really great. The water beading effect is still there and really nice. Coating looks like I just applied it yesterday, honestly. Like, I can't tell a difference. And it basically gives you that really nice shine afterwards, just like if you've applied a fresh coat of wax. Even though I have not waxed my car since I have applied the ceramic coating, because it basically doesn't stick onto the vehicle after you apply the ceramic coating, so you don't really need wax. And I mean, everything still feels super nice, super smooth. There is nothing stuck on there. And one thing I love about the ceramic coating by Armor Shield is how, if you do have, bird droppings or some sort of a sticky tar residue, stuck on your vehicle paint, it's very easily washable just by spraying some water on it and getting a damp cloth to wipe it off instead of having to use harsh chemicals or whatnot. And it doesn't even leave a mark because it basically just sticks onto the ceramic coating, and all you have to do is just use water and you just wipe it off. So there's a video clip of that, and I'll show you that in a bit. But yeah, I really like the ceramic coating. It's really nice. Definitely does its job, makes cleaning the vehicle a lot easier as well. So just let that car pass. Ooh, it's a loud one. So if you do wash your own vehicle, this product is great because all you have to do now is just rinse it down with soapy water or whatever car wash you like, and you don't really have to go scrubbing to get the really hard to get pieces off, because basically everything just comes off by itself when you use a pressure hose or just use your wash mitt. It just makes the cleaning process that much easier, and it just looks a lot better. So yeah, that concludes my review of the Armor Shield 9 by Avalon King.